In a normal case, there are 5 kinds of fire: type A, type B, type C, type D, type E. A type fire is basically कभी अगर वुड की फायर हो जाए या कंबस्टिबल मटेरियल लाइक पेपर में फायर हो जाए, दैट इज ए टाइप ऑफ फायर. बी टाइप फायर इज ऑयल की फायर, लिक्विड फ्लेमेबल लिक्विड की फायर. सी टाइप फायर इज फ्लेमेबल गैस लाइक एसिटिलीन गैस और ऑक्सीजन गैस. D type fire is metal fire and E type is electrical fire. On ship there are chances of having all kinds of fire. So we use different kinds of fire extinguishers or different type of fire equipments for extinguishing such kind of fires. Now अभी मैं आपको portable extinguishers के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ. One such portable extinguisher is with me. This is a 9-liter foam fire extinguisher. Now you can see over here, this is a foam fire extinguisher. 9-liter AFFF foam, that is aqueous film foaming foam. हर month, every month we have to inspect it, check its weight, all the external, कोई चीज टूटी तो नहीं है, everything is fine, and we sign it over here. That's what we do over here. Apart from that, every yearly annuals, biannuals, we get them inspected by shore people, and it is clearly marked over here. Like this was last done in 2020 in the month of April.
Before we move any further, let me introduce you to Merchant Navy Decoded's Deck Cadet package, an all-in-one package which will help you sail through your campus placement interviews as well as your cadetship, because this particular package contains study material which will help you clear the entrance test of any company, and also you have technical content which will also help you clear the interview and make sure that the interviewer finds you quite suitable for working on board ships. And also, if you have the knowledge through the Deck Cadet package, you will be a knowledgeable and sound cadet on board, and in return you will be earning respect. So what are you waiting for? Go take trial on merchantnavydecoded.com of this particular package, and if you find this package good enough, do invest. Thank you and happy learning.
So these are the things that are taken care of. Apart from that, ये सब हाइड्रोलिकली प्रेशर टेस्टेड होते हैं. Now अगर मैं aqueous film foaming foam की बात करूं, which is basically used in case of fire on oil. Foam is always lighter than oil, तो ये oil के ऊपर एक foam का layer बना लेती है, and that basically creates a barrier and not supplying oxygen, which basically extinguishes the fire. तब इसमें क्या करते हैं, अगर इसको आप खोलोगे अंदर, तो इसके अंदर we fill 8.1 liters of water. इसको खोलने के बाद यहाँ से we open this, fill 8.1 liters of water and put this 0.9 liters of 3% AFF solution. ये foam का solution है, इसके अंदर pour करते हैं. Then we put this 110 grams CO2 cartridge which is of 290 bars. इसमें आगे देखिए ये seal type लगी हुई है, छोटी सी seal है, मतलब very fine. होता क्या, it is fitted over here. अगर हमें कोई we have to extinguish a fire, we have to take out this pin and then we have to press it like this. When we press it, there is a pin inside, it goes and punctures this CO2 cartridge over here. This 290 bar CO2 cartridge gets released and it's a pressure over here which then acts on the foam solution, and then it comes out and we can extinguish the fire. You must have been to so many hospitals and everything. वहाँ पर कहीं बार you see portable extinguishers of CO2 type. On board also we have got this CO2 type portable extinguishers. These are basically required at places, say normally electrical fire. You have an electrical fire and you put foam type. Short circuit होने का chance है भाई, पानी you are sending over there. You put DCP type, that is dry chemical powder type. Your electrical equipments are going to get damaged. Over here CO2 plays the best role, creates a barrier between oxygen and fire, so it extinguishes the fire. Now this is a 5 kg CO2 cylinder. इसके अंदर it has got liquid cylinder inside at 51 bar pressure, liquid CO2 over here, and this is a complete. इसके अंदर कोई कुछ mechanism नहीं है. All you have to do is you have to remove this pin and you have to puncture. When you puncture over here, the cartridge gets punctured and this all CO2 gets released. Now you see there is a unique thing. This is given of, this is a handle and it is completely of plastic. Why? This is of plastic क्योंकि अंदर जो high pressure CO2 in liquid form है, once it gets released, it gets expanded, it's released into in a gaseous form and it is very cold. तो अगर ये लोहे का रहेगा, if it is of iron, it can cause frostbite. It is very cold. So we have got this plastic so that it can extinguish. and our hand does not become very cold or have a frostbite over there. So this is very very important thing to take care of. कहीं पर भी इलेक्ट्रिकल फायर रहेगी, CO2 extinguishers. हमारी जहाँ भी चांसेस रहते हैं ऑन शिप wherever इलेक्ट्रिकल फायर के चांसेस हैं, we have got this CO2 fire extinguisher like normally in engine control room or a bridge. Right now I'm going to talk about one of the most important fire extinguisher used on board, which is like uniformly used, that is ABC fire. तीनों के लिए यूज होता है, A fire, B fire and C fire, and that is dry chemical powder extinguisher. Now I have got 3 types of DCPs on board. One is this 2 kg DCP on board. It is basically required on life boats. ये वहाँ पर पड़ा था, life boats पे रखा है, छोटा सा है कि in case there is a fire we can immediately use this. Now when I talk about this, it is clearly seen over, you can see it is written A type fire, B type fire, C type fire. The other fire extinguisher, this is a 9 kg fire extinguisher. This is also of the similar type which is normally kept in the alleyways on bridge, even in engine room. Again, it has got a pressure of 14 bars over here. इसके अंदर भी CO2 is still over here, CO2 gas is over here. Along with we have got dry chemical powder. This is a sodium, basically bicarbonate solution over here of chemicals, which is kept over here. तो जैसे ही हम ये safety pin निकाल लेंगे and we press it, it ruptures the disc, safety disc inside, and the pressurized dry chemical powder because of CO2 gets released, and हम उससे fire extinguish कर देते हैं. This is the third type, मतलब dry chemical powder में. The difference is, see, it has got pressure over it. It is non-pressurized. It has got, again, जैसे हमने we had seen, it has got a CO2 cartridge fitted inside along with chemical over here. So what happens is, जब हम इसको rupture करते हैं, that CO2 cartridge gets ruptured, and then that CO2 gets released. It pressurizes the chemical and then chemical gets released. Difference इन दोनों में क्या है? See, अगर ये एक बार release हो गया, once it is released, then इसको हमें shore पे देना पड़ेगा ताकि ये पूरा pressurize करके भेजे. About it, we have got spare CO2 cartridge on board. We have got spare chemical kept on board, so we can refill it and reuse it. These cannot be reused. ये हमें भेजने पड़ेंगे. That means money. So normally on board ship, you will find these kind, and इनकी duty third officer की रहती है to check, see all these are working properly or not. And in engine room, definitely third engineer, who is going to take care about the well-being. Every month he has to check and make sure that this is in good condition. And every year annually we have to change the chemical as per the maker's instruction कि कब change करना है. इनका hydraulically pressure test maybe 5 years, 10 years, depending what makers want, that is taken care of as well. Jai Mata Di, thank you.
Jai Mata Di. So guys, you have just now seen few portable fire extinguishers. Now the duty to maintain these portable fire extinguishers can be that of a third officer or a third engineer or a fourth engineer, depending upon the company's policy. Like when I was selling British Petroleum, it was my duty as fourth engineer to look after all the LSA and FFA equipments. But when I'm sailing in Anglo today, or I have been sailing with other shipping companies, their third officer looks after the LSA and FFA equipments. Copied? So these are two things that you have to know. Third thing, very important, is you need to know how to fight fire with a portable fire extinguisher. So whenever you get a chance in a fire drill to try it out, do that diligently. You need to know that in case if it is a liquid fire and you have to use a foam type fire extinguisher, you do not have to spray foam on the liquid, because in that case liquid is going to liquid oil which has got fire on it. It will spray like this and this fire is going to spread. So you have to spray the liquid, the foam on the wall nearby so that it goes like this and then settles on the layer of oil and extinguishes fire. So these are a few things that you have to know. Fire extinguisher maintenance, monthly routines, what all you have to check, annual routines, what all you have to check, how do you maintain them, what is the chemical composition of a DCP type on board your ship, if there is a pressure gauge fitted, why is there a pressure gauge fitted, if there is a safety pins fitted, why is it that fitted, how much is the hydraulic pressure testing of these portable fire extinguishers, why is a 5 kg portable fire extinguisher fitted over here, why not a 9 kg fire extinguisher fitted. These are all kind of whys that need to come to your mind and you need to find out those answers yourself. Copied, which is very very important. So you are going to find safety LSA FFA manuals on board ship. Go through them when you go on board ship. Be the smart guy, make your notes so that in any fire drill if they ask you, you should be able to answer well. And that's where everybody on board ship sees, he's a smart guy, and that is how you earn respect on board ship. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.